Dirty siding? Mossy walkways? Don't let Oregon's weather ruin your curb appeal. Here's how P&M Pressure Wash gets your home spotless. First, the experts at P&M Pressure Wash assess your property. Not all surfaces are created equal. Wood, vinyl, and concrete need different care. That's why their team inspects everything and picks the safest, most effective cleaning method for your home. Next, they apply special cleaning solutions designed to break down dirt, mold, and moss, perfect for our damp Northwest weather. These solutions are powerful but eco-friendly, so your landscaping stays safe. Once the grime is loosened up, it's time for the rinse. Soft washing for delicate areas, high pressure for the tough stuff like driveways. The result, a sparkling, refreshed home. No streaks, no damage. Professional pressure washing not only cleans, but protects your property from long-term damage and boosts your curb appeal. Skip the DIY hassle and call P&M Pressure Wash at 503-826-7996. Your home will thank you.